You're not supposed to be here. So that's how you do it. That was a nice day's pay. And Big Daddy got his revenge. I shorted the cues on that last rollover. And look, even though it worked that time, you still had to get stopped out. You still got stopped out. You still had to keep stops on. But more importantly, CCL out at 15. You like that. And then it became a pretty damn good short. So this is summer trading. And if you understand summer trading and you only trade price and you only use VWAP, this is the best trading you'll find because you really have zero reason to be here after 11 o'clock. A lot of times I like to quit before 11 because I do dumb things in the afternoon. Now there really isn't any reason to be here in the afternoon. There's definitely not going to be any great trades. We know that. That's what summer's all about. Midday, just malaise. So if you did what we did, and then you had a couple of, little icing on the cake trades. I mean, APLD woke up, blasted off. That AAOI wasn't bad. And then the NNOX, you got your little double bottom. It followed through. I don't know if you stuck it out, but never broke the low of the day. You got the VWAP break. You got the 66. It's basically what we were looking for. You got paid a little bit. And here we are. Whether the market goes up or down from 11 a.m. till 4 o'clock today has no bearing on anything because we're out. Anyway, Hood was a decent follow through too. It doesn't matter. But it was a good day. I mean, you have to look at each day as an individual achievement. And then if you can just conquer day after day after day, you'll start to see how everything starts to fall away. And then you'll be like me where nothing really matters except the price of the stock. Whatever you think may or may not influence it, cool. Whatever that may be, still doesn't matter. The stock's going to do what it's going to do. And usually that comes down to price and VWAP and half numbers and whole numbers, momentum, fear, and greed. So, somebody here in the chat room, where do you think CCL will drop to after listening to the call? It's already happened. The CCL has already fallen. The call started at 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock now. So if you were waiting for the conference call to do something about it, do you think it's a coincidence that the stock broke at 10:03, the VWAP at 1482? See, there's where you stop. It's not about what they're saying at the conference call. It's a coincidence. It doesn't matter if it's what they're saying at the conference call. It doesn't matter. As long as you consistently say it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what they're saying. You were buying it because you were playing a short covering rally. You got the VWAP break. You got to $15. That's what your goal was. It hit 15, got rejected, starts to roll over, then it broke VWAP. You were going to short this anyway at 1485 using the 15 as your out, no matter what they were saying on the conference call. It doesn't matter what's on the conference call, and it's not where we think a stock's going to go. If you're short from 1480, you covered some at 65, 50, 36, 25, and now 14. And now your stop is 1422 and 1436. You don't have to think. Thinking is not part of what we do here. The only thinking you need is, what do stocks normally do? That's it. That's the only thinking. That's the only process. It's not about where you think something's going to go. It's where it is going. Where it is going. If it breaks 14, it'll probably go back to 1385. But you're going to stop out at 1420 because you should be short at 1480. Nobody's getting short CCL here at 1411. You could, but why would you? You've missed 75 cents. The easy money trade is over. And that's why this market, if you haven't noticed, has run out of steam up here. Up here being a relative term, there really is no up here. Just saying the moment that we are spending together right now at 11 o'clock on June, whatever date this is, where the market is right now, elevated from where we were up here. Again, up here is relative because we could continue to go up for the rest of our lives, and up here will be eventually down there where it came from. So none of that matters. But the market has rallied 224 days. Then it became a bull market. And suddenly, these last 10 days of the bull market, we haven't been going anywhere because the bull market had been on for over a year. So now we're consolidating the bull market. Didn't just begin. And again, none of that matters. That's just commentary, just to put some of this stuff in perspective. Nothing matters right now unless the trade you're in. And right now, we're flat and we're not coming back. All right. I'll see you guys. I hope you had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow. Little briefing at 8 o'clock. Go live around 9:25. Go for about an hour. Don't forget, it's not this weekend, but a lot of big dates coming. July 8th, the 14th, the 16th, the 18th, the 28th, and August 1st. So a lot of important dates going on. If you don't know what those dates are all about, you should. But the first one is July 8th. Come and hang out. Should be a fun couple of hours. July 8th. All right. Hope you all did well. I'll see you when I see you. It never works on the first click. Try again. I'll see you when I see you. No, third click.